Here are some long trade setups based on a weekly and daily chart. So let me just go through them because this has the potential of giving us 400 or 500 pips, even more. This is the pound yen, and so let me just get started. So this is what I see. We clearly have a negative divergence on the weekly chart. So I'm going to break this down and just show you what is going on. We have a trend line, well, hasn't broken yet on the weekly chart, but at the end of this week, this candle should be below the trend line. Okay, so we have negative divergence on the weekly, and we have this trend line breaking. Then the next thing I would do is take my Fibonacci tool, draw it from the swing high to the swing low. It's already hit the retracement, so the retracement is finished. That's my A, that's my B. Now, that would have been the perfect entry, but of course, I was waiting for a trend line break. So that is the trade. Okay. Now to qualify that, just go to the monthly chart and notice that stochastics is overbought. So that is clear sign that pound yen most likely is going to fall for at least a couple of hundred, 500-600 pips based on the weekly and monthly chart. We also have a bearish engulfing candle on a monthly chart. That's a huge plus right there. Okay, let's look at some other pairs. Euro, yen. We have stochastics overbought on the monthly chart. We have a bearish engulfing candle. Let's look at the weekly chart. This is what the trade was that was sent out is based on. There's our trend line. Price trying to break above the trend line. It failed. We have negative divergence as well. Okay, this is a weekly chart, so when we see divergence setups on a weekly chart, that could last for at least a month. So there's our entry. We're staying in this trade till it gets at least all the way to 152.50 area. And the other one we're looking for, and again, divergence on all yen pairs, pound yen, euro yen. We're going to be looking at Canadian yen. Here's another trade setup. Clearly negative divergence on a weekly chart right there. And so we further qualify this trade. There's our trend line break. Okay. Then we have, there's our AB pattern. There's our C at 61%. So that was the entry. I took it late. Doesn't matter on a weekly chart. This trade most likely should go all the way down to the extension, which is 126. Okay. So again, we have negative divergence on a weekly chart. We have an AB pattern, a pullback. So the retracement is complete. So this pair should continue to sell off. Go to the monthly chart for confirmation. Stochastics is overbought on the monthly chart. And that's it. If you have any questions, just email me. We should have a nice rally sell-off on the yen pairs. Thanks for watching.